Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Shrikhand 4 ways. It is easy to prepare and is a perfect summer refreshment. We'll be making Kesar Elaichi, Gulkhand, chocolate and mango Shrikhand. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. First we are going to make some hung curd. We need about 500 grams of hung curd for this recipe. I am taking about 800 to 900 grams because I am making 4 types of Shrikhand. Securely tie it and keep it refrigerated for about 6 hours or overnight. This is the amount of whey water which got collected. We are not using this whey water for this recipe. Transfer the hung curd to a bowl and mix well with a spoon. Add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and combine well. I am now using a whisk so that it gets incorporated well. This is the Shrikhand base which we are going to use for all the 4 variations of the Shrikhand. First we are going to see how to make Kesar Elaichi Shrikhand. For this we need about 200 grams of the Shrikhand base, saffron strands, warm milk, cardamom powder and some almond pistachio slivers. So add about 2 pinches of saffron strands in 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Keep it aside. We need about 200 grams of Shrikhand base. Add a pinch of crushed cardamom, some almond pistachio slivers, about 1 tablespoon of saffron milk and combine them well. Transfer these to serving bowls. Garnish with some almond pistachio slivers. And the Kesar Elaichi Shrikhand is ready. You may serve this chilled. Next up we are going to make Gulkhand Shrikhand. For this we need about 200 grams of Shrikhand base, some Gulkhand, crushed cardamom, rose water, dried rose petals and almond slivers. We are going to add about 2 tablespoons of Gulkhand to 200 grams of Shrikhand base. Add crushed cardamom and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Add some dried rose petals and almond slivers and combine these well. If you do not have rose water, you can use 1 or 2 drops of rose essence. Transfer these to serving bowls. Garnish with some dried rose petals. And the Gulkhand Shrikhand is ready. Again, you may serve these chilled. Next, we are going to see how to make chocolate Shrikhand. For this, we need 200 grams of Shrikhand base, some dark chocolate chopped, cocoa powder, milk, chocolate chips and chocolate sprinkles. We are going to melt together some dark chocolate, cocoa powder and milk. Add the melted chocolate to the Shrikhand base. Add some chocolate chips. I have used milk chocolate chips. You may also use dark chocolate chips. Mix well. Transfer these to serving bowls. Garnish with some chocolate sprinkles and the chocolate Shrikhand is ready. Next we are going to make mango Shrikhand. For this we need about 200 grams of Shrikhand base, saffron milk, mango pulp, crushed cardamom, almond slivers and some freshly chopped mango. Add about 1 tablespoon of saffron milk to the Shrikhand base and about 2 tablespoons of mango pulp. Add some crushed cardamom and almond slivers. This will be a little looser in consistency when compared to the other Shrikhands. If you do not prefer this, heat the mango pulp for about a couple of minutes until dry and add the cooked pulp to the Shrikhand base. Transfer the Shrikhand to the serving bowls. Garnish with some freshly chopped mango and some almond slivers, and the mango Shrikhand is ready. For a detailed printable version of the recipe, please check the link in the description box below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. That's all for now. Bye bye and I'll see you soon.